Alright. Headlights. I'm doing it on a trash can because normally my truck bed would be over here, but this is closer to the garage with my extension cord. So this will do. But I'm short, so don't mind that. It came in 2 boxes. I've never seen that happen. Maybe because they're both huge. Okay, that makes sense. Actually, I may just show both of them. Holy freaking burbles. You got some other plugs you can plug it into. Sport, non-sport. What the frick does that mean? This plug, which is another LED. Alright, time for the review. Hopefully y'all can see this. Oh my! Holy frick. That's gonna look insane. Okay. Dang. Okay, dang. Frick. So these just push through. So they just go in here.
They look like they could twist.
I don't really care because I have new ones. Okay, so now I gotta figure out where all the bolts are. I don't want to drop my bumper. I don't want to take my bumper down. Let me get all this crap out of the way. Okay, I also brought some of my nice tools from work. When I say some of my nice tools, I mean like literally 2 things. Well, there's 2. So you got 1, 2, which is behind the bumper. The bottom one's behind the bumper, and this one's under here, under the blinker. So that should be the only ones, honestly. I honestly don't remember. It has been a while since I did my bulbs, but my bulbs didn't mean to take these out. I almost did take it out, but I didn't have to. Actually, no, I did actually take it out. I pulled them out, I believe. Something is still on it. I have no idea how this comes off, but it should just come off somehow. Probably just like that. Yep, clips. Yo, I may have to take this off and like paint it because it needs painted. I'm tired of doing the little wash thing. Actually, I'm just gonna put it down here. Yo, that looks so weird. It looks so weird without it, but definitely looks like it has more room. So now we should just be able to. Yep. Okay, that was way freaking easier. Holy crap. Okay, now I gotta turn your blinker bulb off. Right here, twist it towards this way, pull it out, and it's like right here, as you can see, if you can see that. So it's just dangling right here. Then this should be free. Come on. Okay, so this is the problem that people were having. Oh, okay. You just gotta slide it that way. Dude, look at that. Okay, so ground and a positive. This is for if I wanted to do battery, I think. And then this is the fuse tap, as y'all can see. Hold on. So you got a fuse tap right here, and you got ground and positive for if you wanted to do battery route. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's another fuse. Wait, so what does that do? Hold on a second, I'm freaking confused. Does it like turn off itself? I have no idea. I'm just gonna use the fuse tap route, see if that works. If it doesn't, I'll figure out what the other crap does. Okay, so the shorter one is obviously headlight. Okay. Let me probably. Wait, how on earth am I supposed to get this to the fuse? That is a good question. Oh, the little boot right there, probably. Oh, but how the frick am I going to run this down that way? Oh, wait. I'm a retard. I have a fuse box right here. Like anything to do with when the truck turns on. Ignition run. Probably that one. Ignition run. Yes, the ignition run AC. The accessory mode. That's what I was thinking it was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6, 7. I just bit right on the house. Wait, there we go. Alright, so this goes into. Where's brown at? Holy frick. What are a little higher? This goes into this somehow. No? Okay. So here's how we need to do this. So this, because it's a long piece, we gotta go this way. What's not keeping it? What's keeping it? Oh, you have to unplug this. I forgot. You have to plug this in at the very last second. Do it carefully. All right. So now we have a length. See what the fun part is? How this fun part is? Let me get my camera out of the way so I don't kick it. It's not unplugged. It's not just unplugged.
This is the little sticky thing.
I know. It probably needs to stick onto the light, but
yeah, I'll just move it down.
Just move it down. Okay, bet. Okay, so this pin right here, that just needs to go right there. But make sure you plug this in before we even push these in.
Okay.
And just make sure we get that pin lined up. Dang.
Further down.
Oh.
Oh wait,
Clean it out this side and we push this scrap in. Okay. My hand's in here currently. Hold on, someone's down here, it's stuck. Can you see through this or no?
Wait, right there.
Okay, there we go.
And the top one.
Dang, it's almost there. Okay, there we go. This one's not lined up. It's so far from the screw. Oh. Yeah, that's why I put that plastic there, because I didn't want to scratch that coat. I was going to cry.
It looks so good.
I'm not going to turn them on until I get both of them in, just for like this suspense. Alright, I think I can show you now. That angle, maybe. So go ahead and put it in the socket. Don't mind if my skin's blown out. Put it right here. And hopefully it catches. I can see it. I can't tell if it's going in. Doesn't look like it. There it goes. Finger tighten it. And we're gonna do this. This is really rare. I'm like up against my camera. Make it good and tight so it doesn't wobble around. And like I mentioned, so the cable is running up there. Oh, my freaking focus is tweaking it again. Runs through there. Right now, it's dangled right through there, the condenser, onto the bumper, because I'm gonna figure out if I have zip ties or not. And so, yeah, I'm gonna get this crap put back in. Oh, I have to take the clips from the other one. Okay, what was I gonna, wait a second, wait a second. Like, good thing I didn't bikini these. These literally just pull out, like the easiest thing on planet Earth. And so, just poke it through this one first, and then poke it through the bumper, or the fender, I guess it is called. Yeah, that's technically the fender now. Or again, poke it through the rubber first, then the fender. Boy, that one's way better than the factory. Okay, rubber, bumper, or fender, good lord. All right, basically same thing, same screws. We already pulled this out, I think. Actually, did we even do that? I have no idea. But same 10 mil extension. One, okay, where is it at? Right here. Let me flip it. Right here. And then the other one right here. Okay, so this one's even lower. Actually, no, actually a tire. Just somewhat easier. Oh crap, my socket ain't catching. Right, there it goes. This one was just really freaking tight. I need one of those like angled, like the sharp angle, like electric wrenches or whatever they're called from Milwaukee. Milwaukee, sponsor me. Or Mac Tools. Mac Tools is what my work uses. But we still have to pay for them, which sucks. Okay, and then you have one more right here. Oh, this one's way easier to get to. Sort of. Maybe just because it's the plastic piece is off now. Take this out. Dude, what would be sick is a headlight delete with my cold air intake literally right behind it. That would be low-key insane, but also ricer at the same time, probably. Okay. See, that one's way easier. Holy frick. Alright, remember, turn it towards the driver and pull out. So both turn towards the driver. That, slide it this way. It should. Dang, bro. What is it stuck on? It's literally just this top piece, bro. That's literally it. Oh my gosh, that was rough. I really hope my new one goes in easy, or I'm driving my bumper because I'm not doing that to my new headlight. Alright, now take these clips out, the rubber piece. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the new one. See, because is this bent in any way? No, it doesn't look like it. It looks perfectly fine. Looks just like the other side. Okay, so this should be fine. I'll just button up everything once all of it's in. Guess I got around that. I'll pull this out. The blinker side goes into the blinker spot like this. The other side goes into the headlight spot like this. And then this plugs into a separate one for my running lights.
For your old one.
Right here. So one of them's broken. It was this one over here that was broken. That's why I was ordering one, because the clip up here, it jiggles. That may be when my light bulbs are off. The slide. See, that's even tighter, bro. Actually, what the frick? Maybe because my old one was broken. It was so easy. I'm kind of scared. Okay, I don't see no DRLs. Holy crap, they're bright. Hey, I don't see no DRLs though. What about blinkers? Oh my. What are those? Oh, those are my fog lights. Oh, they make my fog lights work now. Oh, frick. What are these? These are awesome. Oh my gosh, I have 2 settings for my fog lights now. Oh my gosh. Holy frick. Wow, my fog lights work again. That's sick as frick. Dude, my fog lights work. Well, I can't get I don't know. Is my DRL supposed to like stay on? They're only on blinkers. Dude, that's sick. Oh my gosh, hold on a second. That fuse was not plugged in all the way. But there wasn't a fuse right there to begin with, so I'm using it. So, hold on a second. I'm not gonna turn it on this time. I'm just gonna put a key in. Is it on now?
Blown?
Oh, I see the startup sequence.
It did the yellow and then now it's red.
Okay, so it did the startup sequence. Alright. Can you do that? Can you turn my lights on again, Mom? Actually, I can do it again. What the frick? It's working now. What's it's not even plugged in. Push it down again. Oh. Okay. So it needs that fuse to do the normal one. Okay. You push it back up. Turn the lights off and do the blinker. Turn them off and do the blinker. Do blinker. Okay, turn it back up.
Gotta make this shit like automatic. Don't get your way, yeah, over dramatic. Don't get me for what I did back then. I'm too mad, yeah, overreacting. I'm too lazy, yeah, overreacting. Have rapped a while. Hey, that's my bad for a while. Rap's just stagnant. Had a snapback breaking that fragment. Freaking skip now, I'm moving like a magnet. Waving like Lazarus, back from the stagnant. Bring new life in the verse like magic. None of that dark eye tricks for the tragic. Keeping it light, yeah, ways what I'm crafting. Walking this path like Mando, never masking. No thing, don't need a switch, don't need a shiesty. Walking with God, death try to fight me. Armor of God, to take it lightly. Center of my hip, shooting my hip.
Alright, this is super featured me here. When I recorded this was like freaking December 17th. This is before Christmas actually, and I recorded my headlights. Oops, now it's a whole new year. But this song right here, you're listening to, because most of my footage, my mic was bugging and I didn't get audio. So the song you're listening to right now over the new B-roll is actually mine and my younger brother's song, switched up. Drops this month, the 21st. It's by Bison and me, Hezzy the Kid. So watch out. I may post it on my YouTube channel here, and then I'll have another channel probably where we post a music video, possibly. And then my socials will be down in the description as well, so you can follow me and stay updated on whenever that releases and more songs release. And yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick little advertisement of the new banger dropping, and then more bangers coming as well that we're going to record. And so yeah, getting this music thing started again, and getting this YouTube thing started back. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah.